हेलो एवरीवन, सो प्लीज़ वेलकम बैक ट्विंकल स्टडी क्लासेस। तो मैं लेकर आया हूँ साइंस क्लास 10 के बच्चों के लिए साइंस का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर 2023 का सेट। इससे पहले आप मेरी प्रोफाइल में जाकर 2024 के इसी साल का बोर्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर देख सकते हैं। मेरे चैनल पर आपको मिल जाएगा। तो लेट्स बिगिन नाउ। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे ये जर्नल इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ये आप खुद पढ़ लेना। ये जर्नल इंस्ट्रक्शंस के बारे में तो मैं सीधा बात करूंगा सेक्शन ए की, जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द मिरर विच कैन गिव एन इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड इमेज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Second, a ray of light passes from air into glass. Is the angle of reflection greater or less than the angle of incidence? Third, which type of lenses are thicker in the middle than at the edges? Or a concave lens produces an image 20 cm from the lens of an object placed 30 cm from the lens. Find the focal length of the lens. Fourth, a beam of white light falling on a glass prism cannot be diverted, dispersed, focused, refracted. Fifth, in household circuits is a fuse wire connected in series or in parallel. Sixth, what type of generator is used at power stations? Seventh, in Mendeleev's periodic table, gap was not left for one of the following elements. This element is gallium, beryllium, germanium, scandium. Eighth, what is the common name of propanol, or name the gas evolved when ethanoic acid is added to sodium carbonate. Ninth, the electrons present in the valence shell of a noble gas atom can be 8 only, 2 only, 8 or 4, 8 or 2. 10th, the acid produced naturally in our stomach is acetic acid, citric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. 11th, in which part of the digestive system is water absorbed? 12th, name the process by which plant parts like roots, stems and leaves and get oxygen required for respiration. 13, what are the male sex cells in human called? और क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 से लेकर 16 तक आपके स्टेटमेंट्स है एजर्शन और रीजन, जिसमें 14 एजर्शन ए में बोला गया स्पोर्स आर यूनिसेलुलर बॉडल्स. रीजन, द पेरेंट बॉडी सिंपल स्प्लिट्स अप इनटू सिमिलर स्मॉलर पीसेस ऑन मैचुरेशन. 15th exertion A, natural resources need to be used carefully. Reason, resources are finite in supply and human population is tremendously increasing. 16th exertion A, the sex of a child is determined by the mother. Reason are human lives, human have two types of chromosomes, XX and XY. 17th क्वेश्चन में आपको पैसेज दिया हुआ है, जिसमें से आपको 4 क्वेश्चंस निकालने हैं. पैसेज है, are the electrical heating appliances having a heating element which helps in converting most of electrical energy into heat energy? First, the elements of electrical heating devices are usually made of. ऑप्शन से आप देख लेना. एंड प्लीज़ जैसे भी बैकग्राउंड वॉइस पीछे होगी तो प्लीज़ इग्नोर करना उस बैकग्राउंड वॉइस को. आप केयरफुली इस वीडियो को देखिए. सेकंड पूछा गया, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर अ 5 वायर? ऑप्शन देख लेना. थर्ड, द हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय पासिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू ए फिक्स्ड रेजिस्टर इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ. ऑप्शंस. Fourth, if the current flowing through a fixed resistor is halved, the heat produced in it will becomes. Option देख लेना. Fifth part, an electric fuse work on the options दिए हुए हैं. 18th में passage आया, an acid is a substance which dissociate on dissolving in water. To test for acids, indicators are used. ठीक है. First है the indicator which turn red in acid solutions are. Options देखिए, उसमें से आप आंसर खुद सॉल्व कर लेना कि कैसे करने हैं. ठीक है. इसके बाद सेकंड जो है, second, the property which is common between vinegar and curd is that they options दिए हुए हैं. Third, the indicator which produces a pink color in an alkaline solution is options. Fourth, one of the following is not an organic acid. This is options दिए हुए हैं. Fifth, the property which is not shown by acid is. ठीक है. 19th passage है, both plants and animals react to various stimuli around them, but the method is not similar in plants and animals. The control and coordination in higher animals takes place through nervous system. इसके भी है, which of the following helps in maintaining posture and balance of the human body? The number of pairs of nerves which arise from the spinal cord. The spinal cord originates from. ठीक है. आप options के आंसर खुद ढूंढ लेना and options भी देख लेना. And the involuntary actions in the body are controlled by cerebellum, medulla and pulse are the parts of. उसके बाद 20 फिर से passage है. Food contains energy. Food contains energy, and this energy can be transferred from one organism to other through food chains. Which of the following constituents a food chain? In a food chain, the initial organism is usually in a food chain. The third trophic level is always occupied by. Options answer देख लेना. And उसके बाद है, one of the following is not a consumer. This one is in the food chain comprising of a snake, grass, insect, frog. The secondary consumer is. Section B में आपको 21 question. There are two types of light sensitive cells in the human eye. First, where are they found? What is each type called? Or I can make the diagram to explain refraction and dispersion. Next question, what is atmospheric reaction gives gases? Next, I numerical two resistors with resistance 2 ohm and 4 ohm respectively are to be connected to a battery of EMF 6V so as to obtain maximum current flowing. Find the current in that case, or find the energy transferred by a 100 watt electric bulb in 1 minute. Next, what is the principle of an electric motor? Name two devices in which electric motor is used. Next, what is the balanced chemical equations? Why should chemical equations be balanced? Next, what are metals? State two physical properties as metals. उसके बाद सेक्शन सी आपको करना है why are fossil fuels classified as non-renewable sources of energy, or what is biomass? Give 3 examples of it. Define a combination reaction. Give 2 examples of combination reaction. How does the size of an atom generally varies going from left to right in a period of the periodic table? Why does it vary this way? What is the differentiate between a normal and an ore? Name one ore of sodium. Write the chemical formula of sodium compound present in this ore. Explain vegetative propagation with the help of 2 examples. List 2 disadvantages of it. And आपको मैं एक बात और बताना चाहता हूँ, आपके 24 में कुछ सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुआ था, आप खुद देख लेना, चेक कर लेना, जो 23 में नहीं होगा वो मत करना, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज मीन बाय एक्वायर्ड एंड इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स, एक्सप्लेन विद 1 एग्जांपल ईच। व्हाई शुड वी कंजर्व फॉरेस्ट्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। उसके बाद सेक्शन डी आपको करना है कन्वर्ट अ रे डायग्राम, इलस्ट्रेट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए वर्चुअल इमेज यूजिंग converging glance and diverging glance. What is the differentiate between two images formed have or state 3 characteristics of the image formed by a convex mirror. An object 1 cm tall is placed 30 cm in front of a convex mirror of focal length 20 cm. Find the size and position of the image formed by the convex mirror. Next, give the molecular formula of one homologue of each of the following: C3H6, C2H6, C2H2. Next, what is the difference in the molecular mass of any two adjacent homologues? See, by how many carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms do any two adjacent homologues differ? Or explain the term isomers. Give an example of isomers. Write the following structure formula: electron dot structure of any one isomer of C7H16. देख लेना. How many isomers of the following hydrocarbons are possible? C3H6, C4H10, C5H12, C6H14. The last question is different nutrition. Why is nutrition necessary for an organism? What are different modes of nutrition? Explain each mode of nutrition with examples, or name the various organs of the human excretory system and draw the diagram. What is the function of excretory system in humans? और आपको और वाले दोनों क्वेश्चंस को क्लियरली तरीके से कर लेना है लर्न, ठीक है। कोई भी क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं। तो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को, और बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को ऑन करें ताकि मेरी हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन जो है आप बच्चों तक पहुंच सके। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो।